Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Guys, today I will show you how to log into ActivoBank. So guys, go to Google and search for ActivoBank. Click the first result as you can see here guys, and click translate and click just login option from here. So guys, just await and click your using user ID code and click continue. If you don't have account guys, what you have to do, click open account and just await. Select any plan from here, digital mobile key or video key, click begin and click accept all this one and click get started. And after that await, just wait loading this page and write your name on Portuguese and contact validation and your phone number and promo codes if you have promo codes, and complete these steps and you have all the plan from here. Just click open account and select any plan, resume process or digital or video call. This is how you can do guys. If you want to log in, just click login and write your information to log in here. The same thing about app guys, just download app and complete the steps. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content.